Today, we're having a look into Capitec financial statements. This is part 1 of 5, and this is like 2026 results, right? And you can get these results on Capitec website. Just go on Capitec website and you can go under investors information category. You see all these results for this year, maybe for the past 10 years or so. The results are there. Now, we're going to have a look into this, but it's really a broad thing to have a look at. So we're going to divide it into parts. And today we are looking at just the income statement, maybe part 1 of it. So banks receives money in terms of interest income and non-interest income. Now, interest income is this is the money that the bank receives for lending out money, right? As you can see, the interest income for Capitec increased from 17 billion, right, to 21 billion 2023, right, to 25 billion 2024. Right now, we are sitting at 33 billion. This is 2026. It has been increasing, right? This means Capitec is lending out more money and is charging interest, right? I don't know how much are they charging depending on each case. They do charge to corporates. They do give people, if you're buying a car, if you're buying a house, and all those things, right? So as you can see, and credit cards as well. Now we've got income on lending and income on investments, right? So if you give Capitec 100 rands, right? If you give Capitec, let's say 1,000 rands, right? They take this money, they will promise you to give you 8%, right? And that 8% that they'll give you probably per year, 8% of 1,000, it will probably be around 80,000, right? Around 80 rands, right? That's called interest expense to them, right? So it's an expense for having that 1,000 of yours, but they'll give someone else that money as credit, and credit card or whatever, loaning out money to their clients, but at a higher interest rate, maybe at 12% to maybe like 18%, depending, right? And the difference, that's their profit. But this month they receive, that's the interest income, right? Which is this amount. And we do have interest expenses, which was 9 billion, which is then this 8% that they do promise to their people that they do lend money to, right? So as you can see, interest expenses has also been increasing over the years. It means Capitec deposits are actually increasing, right? But interest income is also increasing. So Capitec has been really growing good in terms of their numbers, from 4 billion in 2022 to like 9 billion in 2026. So this is part 1. I'll continue this video on the part 2. Thank you.